Welcome back to Auto Studio, the channel where power meets precision and design turns into a statement. If you're passionate about machines that push the boundaries of engineering and luxury, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more adrenaline-fueled automotive content. Today, we're diving into something that's not just rare, but absolutely insane, the 2025 Mansory Lamborghini Revuelto. When Lamborghini introduced the Revuelto as its first HPEV, or high-performance electrified vehicle, it was already a revolution in motion. But now, Mansory has taken that beast and turned it into a head-turning spectacle of speed, aggression, and handcrafted detail. Let's talk about the design. The standard Revuelto already looked like it came from another planet, but Mansory dials that up to 11. You get a full carbon fiber makeover, not just the hood or mirrors, but everything from the fenders to the custom diffuser. Sharp lines, more angular aero bits, an extended front splitter, side skirts that look like blades, and an absolutely wild rear wing complete the transformation. It's all functional too, designed to increase downforce and improve stability at high speeds. Now under the hood, Mansory keeps the heart of the Revuelto intact. A naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 paired with 3 electric motors. But the tuning house couldn't leave it stock. They've reportedly pushed the output from 1001 horsepower even higher. While exact figures are still under wraps, expect performance that's nothing short of ballistic. Think 0 to 100 km/h in under 2.4 seconds and a top speed flirting with 355 km/h. The interior is just as extravagant. Mansory has overhauled the cabin with custom leather, carbon accents, and embroidery that screams exclusivity. Every stitch and panel reflects a bespoke touch, offering a cockpit that feels more like a luxury fighter jet than a supercar. Even the steering wheel has been redesigned for a more aggressive feel, ensuring that you're fully connected to the road, or the track. And here's the thing, this isn't just a car for show. The Mansory Revuelto is built to drive. With enhanced suspension tuning, performance tires, and improved aerodynamics, it sticks to the pavement like it's on rails. Whether you're carving up mountain roads or taking it to the circuit, this car delivers raw emotion with every press of the pedal. Of course, exclusivity comes at a cost. Revuelto is a statement, the Mansory version is a roar. Thanks for watching Auto Studio. Let us know in the comments what you think of Mansory's wild take on the Revuelto, and whether it's a dream machine or too much muscle. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exotic car content coming your way.